So if you are already using Google Workspace, I'd like to explain why you can seriously consider Yukti Mail. Okay, the main consideration probably in your mind are, of course, the features, then security, reliability and uptime, support and cost. So let's go through each one of these. Okay, so looking at features and security, Google, of course, has lots of features, many modules. But the question is, do you really need all of them? Are you really using all of them? And are all of your users using all these features? Because what we've seen is that there are some users who are power users, they use all these features, or at least a good number of them. But then there are many users who hardly use anything. They basically just use email. They just send and receive email, and they hardly use any of the other features. Um, and then there's security. So here, I'd like to say that Yukti Mail has been audited in depth by several banking and finance customers before signing up for our service. And we have recurring audits also from some of them. And we have never had any security incident so far, which is not surprising considering that we take a lot of security precautions, hardening and all of our servers. Okay, we have, as part of Yukti Mail, we have a file service also, which is something like Google Drive. And this is a customer's case study because we actually have these a few customers whose email is on Google, but the cloud file storage is on our service. And this is for good reasons, at least from their point of view. So what they found is that in our case, the file storage is as a whole. It's not per user. You don't have some GB per user under that user's control. Okay, it is the file storage as a whole chunk of space which they get. Okay, and in that they can have file folders and permissions, and they can also have fine-grained controls including delete, so they can prevent users from deleting files. And we have features like mount as a drive. So you can mount it as a drive on your system, which means you can do double click to open a local application. You can drag and drop files and so on, which is very convenient for them. And what they've also done is that they have an automated local archive of the files in their office. So they have a comfort feel that one copy of their files is always in their office all the time. Now, we also have email archival built into our service. This comes at no extra cost, and it is quite cost effective also. So for example, 2 TB of archive space will hardly cost about 15,000 a year. Similarly, you can get 5 TB, 10 TB and so on. Okay, so in this case, this is a diversified business group with multiple domains based in Bangalore. Okay, and they were having litigation issues. That is, employees leaving the company many a time would delete their mails intentionally and maliciously before quitting. And then they would file cases in conjunction with other parties on them. And since they knew exactly that the mails had been deleted, and this company would have no evidence to present in court. Okay, but after they moved to our service with our email archival, now they find that they are fully protected. Even if the employee deletes the mails before quitting, they have the emails in the archive and they can produce it as evidence. So our email archival has become a lifesaver for them. Email archival means basically automated storage of all incoming and outgoing mails unknown to your users. So it's completely transparent to them. It's automatic. Okay, and we also have the option of on-premise archival. So your email service can be on the cloud, but your archival can be in your office. So there's another factor definitely in your mind: reliability, uptime, and support. Okay, so reliability and uptime are very important for an essential service like email. But you may be remembering that Google has also had episodes of downtime. The most recent being a few months ago when it was down for about, I think, 5 to 6 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So over the past several years, if we see the past 6, 7 years, we have given an equivalent uptime. Okay, so yeah, we have also had a few cases of some individual servers being down. Okay, but overall it works out to the same amount of uptime. and we have never lost our customer data to date with Yukti Mail. Okay, and we've got terabytes of data. Support, we are reachable on phone, email, and chat. Okay, and in emergencies, we are reachable in off office hours also. We completely support our customers, including client configurations, logs, and things like that. Okay, the other consideration, of course, is cost. And here we really win big because our plans are based on total space, not on the number of users. Uh, so you can have unlimited users and domains in this space. You can divide the space between users as required. It need not be uniform. So somebody may get 1 GB, somebody 5 GB, somebody 30 GB, somebody 50 GB. Okay, and that results in a lot of efficiency of space utilization, and therefore our cost is much lower. And we've had many customers who have migrated to our service from Google, and they have saved about 50 to 75% compared to the what they were paying Google. Okay, so we have a very reputed customer base all over the country. These are our well-known customer brands who are using our service. So, for example, we've got Bangalore Metro Rail, we've got MTR Foods, Reed and Taylor, we've got Marshall Machines in Ludhiana, Jockey, Rainbow Packaging Industries in Haridwar, Repcom Finance in Chennai, Altum Credo in Pune, Suryoday Bank in Navi Mumbai, AC Intratech in Delhi. So all these are our customers. So you can, these are of course our more well-known brands, but our vast customer base is the SMEs, the nameless and faceless SME sector, who really like our features and our support. Okay, so this is a testimonial from one of the customers who migrated to our service from Google. Okay, and they migrated because of the flexibility in space allocation and therefore the cost reduction. Okay, so before closing, we also have a hybrid service where you can, I mean, Yukti Mail and Google can coexist and provide service on the same domain name. So you can have the your comfort of Google plus the low cost of Yukti Mail working together for you. Okay, so and we have several customers again who have opted for this. And what they have is that on Google, they have got the senior staff and the power users who use Google. And on Yukti Mail, all the others have been moved. So the ideal example for something like this is branch staff in a bank, okay, who are not power users, who are occasional users of mail. And because their main function is, of course, to interact with walk-in customers in the branch. So they really don't need any other functionality. And as I said, it's the same domain name. Okay, so with some configurations, the thing can be made to work very smoothly. Okay, and your any recipient of your mail or sender of mail to your domain name will not know that all this is happening in the background, and it can potentially lead to huge cost savings. Okay, so one of our customers is saving about 25 lakhs. Of course, that is with Office 365, but you will get similar numbers with Google also. So that's it. That is what I wanted to share. And I'm sure with these, you have some basis to make comparisons and arrive at a very informed decision. Thank you.